Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change Outlook profile picture. First of all, you can open the Outlook app. I can already open the app. After opening the app, I can tell you the Outlook mobile app doesn't provide the feature to change your profile picture, so you can just simply do the one thing. You can open any browser that you use. I can open Chrome, and after this you can search here outlook.com, and after searching outlook.com the page is loading, and after the page is loading you can just simply log in here or sign in, and after this you can now tap on profile picture at the top left corner of the screen, and after this you can see the option view account or my privacy. You can just simply tap on it, and after scroll down you can see the option change profile picture, and it is the way you can change or edit profile picture on Outlook mobile. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.